Hello, I'm Akira, the owner and chef of VegiLicious. I opened VegiLicious 3 years ago here in Huntington Beach. Before that, I was the manager of a barbecue restaurant. Let me talk about why I quit the job and opened up a vegan organic restaurant. There are mainly 4 reasons. Number 1, I wanted to make customers happy and healthy in the real earnest. Number 2, I wanted to share more food for people serving in the third world. Number 3, I wanted to help better the environment. And number 4, I wanted to save animals. In the next video, I will go over more details on each reason. See you soon.